iPhone 13 is coming up. It is coming up in less than a month by now. I am so hyped for the iPhone 13 and I know you guys are too. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into today's video because we have some new details about the iPhone 13 which will boost your hype even more. Let's get right into today's video. My name is Jay and you are watching Tech Hyped. You guys probably already know that notch will be shrinking on the iPhone 13 series and it will be called iPhone 13 slash iPhone 12s. The name is still not final until Apple will come on stage. Mr. Tim will come on stage and say, "Good morning. Today is the iPhone day and all, right?" Anyways, the iPhone 13 slash 12s is expected to come with smaller notch. We already know about that. But you know what? We are getting the second generation of LiDAR. It may not seem as a huge deal right now. Like, I know LiDAR is being really underrated. Like, it is one of the most underrated feature of iPhone 12 Pro series in my opinion, because so many people do not even know about the LiDAR that it is present on the iPhone 12 Pro series. Like, for real, my uncle recently bought the iPhone 12 Pro Max and he didn't knew about it either. When I told him about this feature and he got to know about it, he really loved it. But he did realize that there are some areas where this can be improved, and in those areas, for example, in it works really well and accurate, by the way. In order to measure height and all, it works really accurate, but you need to go really further from camera and just adjusting, you need to just adjust at the right angle in order to get the accurate measurement, which will be changing with the iPhone 13 series. It will be second generation LiDAR, which means that LiDAR will be even more better, even more faster, and thanks to the A15 Bionic chipset, it will work even more fluently and better. It will have new features too, as it will be a second generation sensor, which will that I'm pretty sure it will have some new tricks and features that Apple may or may not demo in the event. But you know, we guys are here, we YouTubers are here for you guys to find out hidden features. That's a reason to subscribe to us. Like, subscribe to Tech Hyped right now, alright, for more videos like these. Talking about the portless thing, I want to just clear this up because I have so many people talking about it over on my Twitter DMs and in my comment section that they think that the iPhone 13 will be portless, whereas, come on, it won't be portless. At least this year it won't be portless. Why? Because before going portless, Apple want to sell as much MagSafe and all these MagSafe accessories as they can, and I'm not really sure that they have achieved the number of units that they wanted to sell for these MagSafe compatible accessories and MagSafe chargers. I'm not really sure on this particular thing, but I am pretty sure on the portless thing. It won't be portless this year for sure. Then another thing coming to the iPhone 13 series is the more powerful magnets for MagSafe. You can call it MagSafe 2.0 because it will be more powerful. The magnets will be more powerful, which will result in better charging efficiency and speeds. And you know what? I'm all in for the efficiency, speed, and all these boosts. MagSafe 2.0, I'm really excited. I personally have not really used a lot on my iPhone 12. I own an iPhone 12 as my primary device. And over the past 1 year, almost 1 year, it's been 9 months, almost 9 months that I have been using this device. And I would say that I have not really used MagSafe extensively as my primary solution to charge my iPhone, but it is a really neat feature which I think that it may be utilized with the future iPhones, and the ports may be removed, not this year but probably next year with the iPhone 14. That's pretty much it for this video. I am so hyped up and pumped up for the iPhone 13. Not very sure that I will upgrade to iPhone 13, but I can verify that I will be posting a lot of videos on the iPhone 13, comparing it to a lot of devices. So you do not have to miss it as soon as the Apple event arrives, the event card and all arrives. I will be making videos on that. Peace out. I will meet you all in the very next episode.